Hey there, food fanatics ready to hit the road and share your culinary creations with the world? First stop, Flavor Country Market Research. It's like scouting the perfect location before you park your tasty mobile empire. Know what folks crave? Burgers, tacos, vegan delights? Figure out what your town is hungry for. Check out the competition too. Are there already 5 taco trucks on Main Street? Maybe try a different route or a different cuisine. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your customers and competition, the better you'll be set up for success. Trust me, a little research goes a long way on the road to Flavor Town. All right, foodpreneurs, you've got the culinary chops and the killer concept. Now, let's talk business. First things first, permits and licenses. Every town's got rules, so do your homework. Health permits, fire safety, business licenses, make sure you're covered. Next up, the wheels that get you grilling. Buying a truck is a big investment. Think about your needs. Size, equipment style, used or new. Lots of options to get you rolling. Don't forget the heart of your operation. The kitchen, ovens, grills, fryers. Outfit your truck to pump out those signature dishes. This is where your culinary dreams take shape. All right, let's talk food, glorious food. Your menu is your calling card, your culinary symphony. What's your specialty? What's going to make folks slam on the brakes and form a line down the block? Keep it focused, keep it fresh. A few amazing dishes are better than a huge menu that's impossible to manage. Don't be afraid to experiment and put your own spin on classics. And hey, don't forget the power of a catchy name. Something memorable, something that screams deliciousness inside. Your food truck's identity is what sets you apart in a sea of food trucks. Make it pop, make it yours, make it Flavor Town. All right, you've got the grub. Now, let's get people fed. Marketing is key, especially when your business is on wheels. First up, social media is your best friend. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Tell the world where you'll be and what's cooking. Pictures, videos, drool-worthy descriptions. Get those taste buds fired up. Location, location, location. Find those hungry crowds, office parks, festivals, farmers markets. Let people know when you'll be there and watch the lines form. And don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned word of mouth. Friendly service, killer food, and a smile can turn first-time customers into regulars. Get out there, feed those faces, and watch your food truck empire grow.